Okay, guys, welcome back. 10th of June, crazy revision with Kel. All right, so we talk about June 9 market and primary. We talk about gold market right now. Gold, yeah? Okay, let's bring in our gold into the picture. Okay, all right. Now I know that most of us, can you see my chart? Can see, right? Can see, huh? Okay, some of you have been asking me, Kel, this about this gold. No, talk about gold today, yeah? Okay, let's look at gold. You see, this is where this get very upsetting, as I just say before I left, is that yesterday gold opens and then trades below OP and then touch MLP first, then come back down. So students wise, some may say, Kel, you see, because I trusted you, I went to go and buy gold, I lose money. Because the KSI is green, KCX is black, then it's wrong, right? So I think some of the seniors here may hear me so many times, but for the juniors here, I need you to understand this. If global indicators is workable, then seriously, you don't need people like me to be around. Global indicators itself, right, if it's so feasible, then they will have 300 years of people losing money and still trying to find a way, while we can put people to Mars very soon. So the thing is this, let me explain to you the indicators of ours, how it works, okay? Number one, the indicator doesn't dictate the direction of the market. It doesn't. It doesn't, okay? Basically, it's all right. When the KSI is green, it basically tells me that the boys are buying. So the thing is this. If the boys are going to be buying, there are two types of buying. One, the follow-through buying. That means once open already, right, the market will start to go above OP, and then we just follow through to buy. So as long as market is above OP and I'm buying, the KSI is green, then usually it will go to the next level like KTR1, KTR2, KTR3. Okay, this one understand, right? Now, what if the market goes below OP? What should I do? First of all, cut your long position. That is the first thing you should do. Number two, let the market goes down. Now, if you insist that you want to be a buyer, then you look for KTR -1, -2, -3, or any technical level that you can look for a support. For example, MLP, MA30, MA200, pivot 1, pivot 2. Okay? Those are technical level. You really insist to buy. Now, by default itself, when the market breaks below OP, you should be a seller. But because the day chart is green, then you just sell smaller. And then after that, every technical level you look to buy. So this thing I've been talking this like a broken recorder for a long, long time. All right, but still, end of the day, people still basically prefer to see the indicator called KSI, and then they're going to buy, and then get into trouble. And then when you go into trouble itself, right, then things happen again and again. Okay, so you got an idea now? Okay, so now before we go to the chart, right, we just remember what I just said. Then we will throw in how a follow-through trader will trade versus a swing trader, how will they trade? All right, this session is very, very important. Okay, so let's take a look here itself. We don't look at the general what happened in the market. We don't care what happened. Okay, you see what happened in the market. This in the market open here, this way it opens, right? Okay. So what after it opens itself, what happened to the gold? The gold basically came down and go all the way to KTR -1. So you can see that it hit -1 very nicely and immediately it rebounded as what I told you, right? Then after that, it basically go back down again, go down to KTR -1. And then again, when it crossed back above the KTR -1, it recovered. And when it recovered this time, once it crossed the OP, you can see it go all the way to KTR +1. Very simple. You just have to do that. Sell to -1, book profit. Above OP, buy KTR +1, book profit. Finish. Your day has ended. All right, ended. All right, that's all you do. But the thing is this, I told you before, if you really insist to trade, once the market basically hit KTR +1, yeah, or -1, right? The one at the back itself, whatever happened, it's going to be a bit of jing jong in the market. Because the KTR +1 is given. So whatever happened from OP to KTR from OP to KTR +1, all these are been done already. So this area here, which I'm drawing right now, right, it's really an area that I really don't want you to trade. I said this before to you guys. But again, some of you say, I want to trade. Fine. No problem. We can look to trade later. But I tell you this, when you do that itself, you get yourself very, very, very frustrated because the market will be up, down, up, down, up, down. Then for those who remember what I tell you, You stick to what I tell you. When it's above OP, you buy, right? And that's what you need to do. Look at here. If you look at it here right now, right? If just basically you follow what I just say, above OP, you buy. All the CCRY that's showing you above OP and CCRY you buy, you will make money. You won't make KTR plus one in this case because you only go like halfway, but at least you won't lose. All right. So of course, some will argue, Cal, but then I also follow you below OP. I shorted. Then what? Yeah, why I went wrong, guys? You shorted below OP. Now the market's above OP. Then of course, what must you do next? You have to buy low. Huh? Then like that, I go in, go out, lose money, right? I already tell you that what to do as a choice. Agreeable? So the thing is this, we have to be fair that you are trading the market itself. You must know what to do with your trades. And then you just follow through, make the money. Now there's a bit of sharing right here as well. A friend of mine, basically he buys here, right? Where I'm showing right now, I show it again. He buys here. Okay, he buy only 0.1, very small. His capital can buy more than that. But he said that, Kela, I mean, I lost money. I don't feel like buying a lot. So when the price go higher a little bit, right, he takes some profit already. Not bad, I mean, $30, $40 to some profit. Then after that, the price go higher to KTR plus one, right, he book out. So I think his overall earning is at $90, I think around that, $90, $80. So he like, yeah, earn so little bit, angry. So the thing is this, the price pull back down, waited again, come back down, waited again, and this time round, at this junction here, my arrow, he went in 0.4 contract. 0.4, which is like 4 times above what he did earlier. Then the gold price went higher, right? So you can see even higher. So he's very happy. Say, wow, make money already, very happy. Then the next few moments, the market started to come down. Oh my goodness. The market kept to come down and went all the way to below OP. Well, he freaked out because he lost $400 just like that. So he get upset and he basically say, confirm sell ready. He sell one contract full. One contract at this point. One contract full. Because why? Because he want to make back the $400. And obviously, you can see from that point of view, the gold shoot up all the way to KTR plus one again. Well, I tell you, his losses in total was about $1,700. Now, of course, hearing the story itself, right, how will you feel? Now, was he wrong? What did he went wrong? Now, all these things itself, right, I think you have the answer. I don't want to go and engage and do this further, but the point is this. Let's just review the tape on how would you have traded during that moment of time. So guys, look at the diamonds to begin with, okay? First of all, it's a blue diamond. You put a line across it, right? You can see very clearly the market is below OP and is below the line. So there's only one thing to do is to stay short. Simple as that. Then you see a blue diamond appear. So what must you do again? Draw the line at the closing price here. Now, what do you see here, my friends? Do you notice that the market actually go up first, pull back and touch the white line? And that is a very important buy signal because the market trigger with price action and combined with KSI, KCX all on your favor. So that is how you must differentiate. Okay. Then after that, the market triggered the MA. So with MA involved, that means that the market can go this way or choose to go this way, right? So there's two directives the market can go. So there is diamond available on your screen, right? So there's diamond on your screen. So use the diamond to your advantage. Draw the diamond line across and you will see that the market basically was trying to stabilize. So of course, you've been doing ding dong at OP. So that is where you have to be very careful. Look like a sell, but cannot be selling. Look like a buy, not be buying. Until the next diamond come up, and you can see very clear already. The market is here to buy or not to sell. So of course, you say, Cal, wait a minute. But this red candle shows that it's selling, correct? It is selling, but you notice that the low of the tail touches the OP and rebounded. Second, the KSI was green, the KCX was black. So that was not a sell, but a buy, but then it didn't cross a white line, right? So the next candle, which is here, come in and break. And that is where the market goes up all the way. Can you see that now, guys? If all clear, press number 3 right now. Now, the thing is this, I'm just trying here my best to revise this thing with you. Now, the first part, the first 15 minutes or so, we do the general market feel and stuff like that. Then the second half is the revision talk. But you always realize that, right? The market talk, we have about 30 people coming in, listen. But come to this revision, 5 will disappear. And unfortunately, right, because they don't want to listen to this part here as well, right, that causes that trouble when it comes to using my system itself. Very sad. Okay, so you can see again later on, after that, the blue diamonds all appear. If you draw the white line carefully and properly, right, you will see that there's no way you can buy the gold already. The gold already hit the target, right? So after that itself, you see the gold just keep on going down because the white line tells you cannot buy. So our white line itself is just not only for buying, it's also for selling. So you just have to utilize it. But let's say, Kel, but it's above OP, how can I sell? True, then don't buy lor. At least you don't buy, right? You will save yourself the money, right? So that means that if I buy here on the way up, I didn't take profit for some reason. Okay, that's nothing wrong. Then when the market trigger and then you have this happening, then you just take profit out first lah, or at least reduce your losses. Okay, don't go and fight the market. When the market is ready for you to buy, it will show you the same signal as you can see. Then you just have to follow through. It's really not difficult to trade. All right, and you see this particular candle here. This is beautiful. Look at this. This is a blue diamond. You draw a line. Oh my God, look at this. This is amazing. See that? Now understand why market basically has time, it always rebound at a certain point itself. With the blue diamond, this blue diamond or 4 diamond, it becomes very easy to see. So guys, if you really understand what I said today, all right, please let me know. Let me know in the comment box itself, okay? If not, that will be all for today's sharing. I hope that you enjoyed this session. Please remember what to do with the system. Okay, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.